Hi, it's Ajay from techyourcode.com. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to fix Bing Search not working in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Bing is the default search engine for Microsoft Edge browser. However, if you're facing some issue related to Bing Search, then you can try out this troubleshooting method. Number 1. Restart Edge browser. If Edge browser is already open, simply restart the Edge browser. For that, right-click on taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Here look for Microsoft Edge option. Right click on it. Then click on End Tasks to close Edge browser. After that, reopen Microsoft Edge browser and try to use the Bing search engine. Number 2. Repair Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes corrupted Microsoft Edge browser file can also affect Bing search. To fix it, you can repair Microsoft Edge browser. For that, simply on the search option, search for settings and open the setting application. Here click on apps tab, click on installed apps, and here on the search option, search for Edge. Here you will get Microsoft Edge browser option. Simply click on this 3-dot icon, then click on modify, and here you will get repair Microsoft Edge window. Here simply click on repair button to fix Microsoft Edge browser issue. Once the repair process complete, you can try to use Bing search. Number 3. Reset Edge setting. For that, simply open your Microsoft Edge browser, click on this 3-dot icon, then click on settings. Here look for reset settings option. Now here click on reset settings to their default value, and here click on reset button, and it will reset your Microsoft Edge browser. Number 4. Update Microsoft Edge. For that, simply open your Microsoft Edge browser, open the setting page. Here look for About Microsoft Edge option, and it will automatically download and install the latest updated version of Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows computer. Number 5. Make Microsoft Edge the default browser. For that, simply open your Microsoft Edge browser, open settings window. Here click on default browser button, and here you will find an option to make Microsoft Edge as the default browser. Simply click on this make default button. After following all this method, if you are still not able to use Bing search, then you can try out this method. Number 6. Change default search engine. Sometimes if you also change the default search engine of your Microsoft Edge browser, then also you will be not able to use Bing search. So to change the default search engine back to Bing, simply open Microsoft Edge browser, click on 3-dot icon, then click on settings. Here click on privacy, search and services tab. Scroll down and look for address bar and search option. Click on it, and here you will find search engine used in address bar. From the drop down menu, simply select Bing. Then close your browser. Now restart your browser and try to search your query. Now you will find that Bing search is working on your Microsoft Edge browser. So that's it. These are few troubleshooting methods you can try out to fix Bing search not working in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. However, if you want a detailed article on it, then we already have an article published on our website. So you will get the article link in the description box. Also do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.